Good morning, everybody. This is Mark, and we're back here for T3 Live. It is Thursday. I keep forgetting the days of the week. Long week. I'm ready for vacation, as I said yesterday. As you can tell, I'm ready again. Market, again, you can make an argument that this consolidation that's happening is as healthy can be. We really haven't done much in the last few days. Obviously, we've gone up. We're trading at the top end of our trading range for almost a week at this point in time. And the more we consolidate, the more stocks continue to rotate and stay up here, the stronger the case that we're going to head higher before everybody wants us to, which is normally the November, December, October, maybe late October time frame. So that might mean a highs put in before the year end, and that's okay also. We don't have a whole lot of headline news. That's good. And I think overall, the market's certainly slow, but stocks are continuing to rotate, and we're continuing to get, decent breakouts that are lasting and really not really retracing back to the breakout level. Yesterday, Amazon woke its head up a little bit. You knew it was basing. You knew it was going to eventually do something. Between 232 and 234 was looking good. 235 had a little bit of a trigger, and at this point, it's at the top end of its range. Probably can go higher and make a serious move back to 242, which is right the day after earnings. So keep that on the radar. Other stuff I'm starting to look at. Priceline woke up a little bit yesterday above the 670 level. It looks decent. It's trying to break out of that range. It's still a bear flag, but it's waking up, and it's still, I think, best in breed. That means Expedia might try to recover a little bit, and it's had 8-9 days down. I like that. Back to its breakout level. This is a fine level. I talked about it yesterday for us to get involved, certainly in the swing and to move forward. It doesn't do a whole lot intraday. Other stocks I've been watching, again, patience is the key. EQIX, patience. It takes a long time, thin stock, but looks like it's going to make its move, maybe an a la MLNX type of move to new highs. We'll have to wait and see. But overall, guys, I'm seeing lots of consolidation. I think it's healthy. I know it's healthy. Doesn't mean there's a whole lot to do intraday for us, but every day we're finding 1 or 2 or 3 opportunities that get us paid, and that's really the key to this trading. We have a few earnings today that might be interesting. We have Sign on the tape up a little bit, Natiz down a little bit. Walmart certainly has to be on the radar. It's down, which in my opinion, it's down $1.70. Not quite to its 50-day, which is around 71, but most likely Walmart's going to be a viable opportunity. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out. But Shield came out, so we definitely have a mixed bag on the earnings front. Ross Stores, that has been a best in breed on the retailers. I still like the retailers. I think Under Armour certainly has shown strength. Coors had great earnings at just about all-time highs. I'm looking at Lulu also. I love talking about stuff, in the incubations period where, quite frankly, it's not on everybody's radar. It's not that exciting because this is where you can get involved, and really when it gets on everybody's radar, you're getting a little bit of icing on the cake. You're not really getting the whole cake. And to me, roughly around here, 58 to 50 to 60 is the level you get involved. 62.50 will be where people get more involved. That's the break of a downtrend. So I think it's something I'm going to really be watching closely. I have options that go to September. Might not be an actionary trade for a day trade point of view, but something I think people should be keeping on the radar to look at. DEC looks great to me. I have a lot of stocks that look great. I don't want to call out too many longs, but I think, focus. Apple. Just because it has 1 day down after, a 17-point move, and it's down $1 after, I understand what it did on Tuesday. It's not, change direction is not there. It's basing. It should stay above 230-ish. That means 228 or 628, 630, 630. But it will, before September, I think it's going to make new highs. Same thing with Google. It's going to create new ranges, I think, that are going to be healthy for us, and I think that's the key. Home builders don't take off the radar. They look like they're trying to make the move again. And lastly, semis. I would keep a look on semis. CYMI, Altera, Broadcom. They look good. They're not the sexiest industry, but I think they're repairing themselves nicely. SMH is the ETF. I think it's something that we should be watching. And again, it's not on everybody's radar, which is what I like. I like to be involved when everybody's not involved. It gives you a little bit of a head start, but it also means you need a little bit of patience, and you got to keep your size under control. but that's part of the game of trading. That's what we do. So good luck today, and again, I think you're going to have a little bit of a slow day after 11:30, which is what we've been having. But overall, the more we base, the better it is. The longer the base, when we actually finally make a move, the more the higher the move most likely, and the more that it will actually last. So that's a good thing. Good luck today, and I'll see you back later.
Hello everybody, my name is Pete Renzulli, Chief Marketing Officer of T3Live.com. I'm really excited about introducing you to and inviting you to the first T3 Live Active Trader Summit. There's going to be a ton of great content, but the number one reason you want to come is you want to be able to network and associate with other like-minded people who have a burning desire to learn how to be a trader. So I'm going to ask you to make a trade. Trade one Saturday for some of your time to come down and learn strategies, tactics, techniques, and put some faces to the people that you see in the virtual trading floor in T3 Live, and learn to take your trading bigger. Learn how to be a better trader than you are now. Learn the strategies. It's going to be a lot of fun. Go to T3Live.com and register. If you would like to join us at the post-event cocktail reception, you can also upgrade to either premium or VIP. That's up to you, but either way, please take advantage of the general admission, 2 free tickets. Come down and expect to have a great time.